Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a picture in a circle in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to insert a picture into circle. At first, go to insert menu, select the picture option, choose this device. Then choose your image from your file and click insert. Then we can see here the image. Now I am select the image, click right button and select the cart option and carted the image. Go to the insert menu again, select the shape option, choose the oval shape and draw a circle, press and hold the shift and draw the circle. Then select the circle and go to the shape format menu, choose format shape option and select the picture or texture fill option and select clipboard. Now we can see we paste the carted picture into the circle shape. You want to resize the image, go to the picture format menu, click the crop option and resize the image. Click outside, then close the window. Now we can see we insert a picture in circle shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.